How to reset Honeywell thermostat. Need to reset your Honeywell thermostat, but not sure how? Whether you're troubleshooting or starting fresh, resetting is a simple process you can do in just a few steps. First, identify your model. Most Honeywell thermostats fall under two main types: programmable touchscreens and push-button models. The reset steps may vary slightly depending on your model. For touchscreen models like the T5 or T6, tap the menu button, scroll, and select Reset. Choose Factory Reset, then confirm to press Yes. That's it. For older push-button models, first turn on your Honeywell thermostat, then press Fan and Up arrow button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then set the value 90 and 1 for reset your device. Once you hit the Done button, and your device will be resting soon and reopen after a few seconds. Your thermostat should now be reset to factory settings and ready for reconfiguration. Thanks for watching.